Okay, so now that you have identified the segment or the ideal customer profile you're trying to target, next step would be to try to understand your customer profile. I would recommend you do it by starting off with checking their website. What do they communicate? How do they communicate? To whom do they communicate? Maybe we know something about their ideal customer profile or their buyer personas. Uh, Look for signals like charity washing. Look for signals like eco-friendliness, being net zero till year X. Look for important quotes that you might find based on the examples that you provided. Do so to try to establish their goals and values, also known as what drives their decision-making process, the challenges, so the obstacles they are facing in their niche. Try to figure out their spending patterns. This will be patterns. This will be tricky to establish, but once you do, this will prove very valuable information for the marketing team in the future. Uh, Also think, what can we provide? How can we address their needs? But think of it as from a company perspective. We're not thinking about the CEO, CFO, or the person just yet. We are trying to figure out what our company can provide to their company as a company. Uh, Look for common objections. So, what are the pain points for spending in our sector? What common objections have you heard from your past clients? So maybe there's some backlash from competition, like the competition didn't do a very good job, and it reflects the entire market, the entire segment. So look for information like that, but also check out brand and media. Try to check out what and to whom do they communicate on their social media, Google, industry directories. This will be valuable information for your marketing teams.